Yo, what if I told you there's a way to bet on both teams in the same game and still walk away with a guaranteed profit or even hit the jackpot? It's real. It's called middle betting, and today I'm showing you how it works with real examples. Welcome back to the channel where we cover legit side hustles and smart betting tactics. And hey, if you want daily sure odds, I post them on my Telegram channel every morning. It's completely free. Link is in the description and the comments. Middle betting, or middling, is when you place two opposite bets on the same game, but at different lines from different sportbooks. If the final score lands between those two lines, you cash both bets for a double profit. Even if you miss, you often just lose a little juice or break even. Let's say, Book A, team A minus 2.5. Book B, team B plus 4.5. You bet $100 on each, and the decimal odds are 1.90. If team A wins by 3 or 4, both bets win. You turn $200 into $380. That's a $180 profit, risk-free. If the game ends outside that middle, you just lose the juice, around $10. Still a smart play. This works because sportsbooks don't always agree. Lines shift based on injuries, sharp money, or delays in updating. You can take advantage of those gaps and middle the spread. Just like arbitrage in the stock market, profit from price differences. Middle betting works best when you catch line movement early. You're near key numbers like 3 or 7 in football. You monitor multiple books. That's how I spot sure odds, exactly what I post in the Telegram. You won't hit every middle, but your losses are usually small. And when you do hit, you double your money instantly. Over time, the strategy gives you low-risk, consistent returns. I placed 2 bets on the same NBA game, Indiana Pacers versus OKC Thunder. Bet 1. Over 228.5 total points at odds of 1.895. Bet 2. Under 230.5 total points at odds of 1.57. Now, check this out. If the total points land between 229 and 230, both bets win. That's the middle, and it's beautiful. Let's say you bet $100 on each side. If the game ends at 229 or 230 points, both bets win. Win from bet 1, $89.50 profit. Win from bet 2, $57 profit. Total profit, $146.50 from a $200 investment. If the game ends below 228.5, you only win the under bet. Win $57, lose $100 net, minus $43. If the game ends above 230.5, you win the over. Win $89.50, lose $100 net, minus $10.50. So worst case, small loss. Best case, double win and high profit. That's why this strategy is loved by sharp bettors. If you want daily sure odds, middle bet opportunities, and my personal tips, join my Telegram channel. I post bets just like this every single day. Link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more betting strategies that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.